spooky season is here. Today I am making Halloween bracelets that are cute, that are creepy and totally fun to wear. So grab your beads, grab your elastic, let's get into the spirit of Halloween together. Today we're going to make some spooky bracelets. I'm going to be using my bead mix today. Now I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do also have some jewellery that isn't handmade. I just want to say that not everything is handmade by myself. We've got Christmas coming up, it's just me. I have a very small animal rescue. Once all the bills are paid, everything goes to help my fur babies. So please do go and check it out. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Now my Halloween bead mix is the most popular bead mix that I do. And inside you'll find all different sizes of beads. We've got the seed beads, the Halloween colours, the black, the yellow, the oranges, purple, lots of different. These are fluorescent beads that glow in the dark. To show you close up, we have these. All these are available to buy individually. And as you can see, these beads I made this one with, and the pumpkin beads, which are these, I made this one with. They're so fun. These are the fluorescent beads that glow in the dark. Aren't they fun? They are so fun. They're actually smaller this year. Last year they were larger. And in the bead mix we've got purple as well. That's the last of the purple. That is the last of the purple ones. But these are available to buy singly. We have the turquoise skulls. That will make some fantastic earrings. We also have the pumpkin beads. Those are made of resin. So I'm going to use some 0.6 elastic. This will go through the large bead. It will also go through the seed beads. I'm just going to add some more orange. But they're great if you've got children, grandchildren, or if you just love Halloween. So let's have some fun. So I'm going to cut 12 inches of elastic, 0.6, and we'll give that a stretch. Make sure you give it a very good stretch. So we'll pop on a bead clip. I'm going to add. So we start off with a skull. Now these are quite, obviously being turquoise, they're quite heavy. I'm just going to play around. Now to tie, we do a simple overhand knot. Make sure there's no gaps. So then we do the same again, but rather than pull, we're just going to put that strand through again, and then pull, and then we do one the other way. It's up to you. If you've got quite large holes on your beads, you can do one for luck, you can add glue, it's completely up to you. And then if the hole is big enough, like that, we can hide them inside. So that's just some bracelets that you can make with the bead mix. Now this bead mix does change all the time. I even have beads that have come today that I've not yet opened that will be going in here. As you can see, these have been made with beads from this kit. They're available in 2 sizes. We've got the standard and we've got the large. So what do you think of these bracelets? Let me know in the comments below. When you leave a comment, it really helps my channel. The YouTube algorithm sees the interactions and it shares my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and as always, happy crafting.